Welcome to the Solvemeet tutorial on how to create your advisor profile. First, start at the Solvemeet homepage. Click on the Login button. A login box will appear, but before you can log in, you need to register. Click on Register. A registration form will open. Enter your name, email, and password. Make sure to check the box that says, "Are you an advisor?" Next, click Register to proceed. You will receive a one-time password, OTP, via email. Enter the OTP to verify your account. Once the verification is successful, use your email and password to log in. After logging in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Here, provide your basic advisor information and click Submit. Next, you'll see the Update Your Profile section. Fill in all required fields carefully and update your profile information. Now, select your advisor category from the list. Enter your national ID and submit this information. Finally, click on Verify Advisor. Your profile will show a pending status while under review. Once approved, your advisor profile will be successfully created and ready to use. Thank you for joining Solvemeet as an advisor.